Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and find random lives on Instagram. But before that we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So for that purpose, let's go ahead, open our Instagram, and now go to this here plus icon, and then afterwards you will simply go ahead, swipe to this live option right here. So for that purpose you will have to turn on camera, go to this live, and now simply go ahead, tap, and now you will tap on this share option and go ahead, share this with a friend, and then you will end your live, end video, and now tap on this discard media, discard this media. You will go back, go to your message, tap on that person, and you can see, right, yes, you will find this watch live video, right? Go ahead, tap on that option, and if you swipe this up, you will be able to find other lives, other people's live right there. Tap on the see all option. You will be able to find people who are currently live right there in Instagram and out of the randoms. So this is the way you can go ahead, get the access to the random lives on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful, and yes, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.